How to make 1x1 and 2x2 picture in Canva. Once on Canva, you're going to tap on custom size right below the search bar on the home page. From there, you're going to tap right where you see units and you're going to select inch. And let's say, for example, we'll first like to make a 1x1 pic. You can simply type in 1, then you'll add 1 and you're going to tap on create design. After tapping on create design, you'll be redirected to this page. From here, you can go over to the left-hand menu option and you could tap on upload and you could select upload files and you could upload the picture that you would like to add. So for example, let's say this pic, and from there you can select the picture. Then you could tap on the three dots and you're going to select set image as background and you can see how it would look right there. Another option that you could also do, if it is a case that you would like to remove the background, you could open a new tab and you could go on to remove.bg.com, and from there you could remove the background and you could upload the picture again without the background and just having it as a white background. Now, if it is a case that you would like to create a 2x2, you would select custom size once more and you're going to select 2x2. Then from there you can select label square. After you have done that, from here you can simply add the pic. So we could select uploads once more and we could upload the picture. After you have uploaded pic, you can tap on the three dots and you could tap on set image as background. After you have added the image, you can go over to the top right hand corner, select share. From there you can tap on download to download it,